Hi students, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Okay, in the last two videos we have discussed the concepts of the circles. Okay, now we are going to discussing the JEE mains problems in the chapter circle. So we are using the previous concepts. Now we are to solve the some important problems from coming the JEE mains problems. Okay, let us start the. Okay, so see the some problem we are given here. The equation of the circle which touches y-axis at 0, 4 and makes an intercepts 6 on x-axis, where center is on the first quadrant. This is our given problem. Now we have to find the equation of the circle. That circle touches y-axis at 0, 4 and the circle makes intercepts 6 units on x-axis. Here given that the center is in the first quadrant. That is our problem. See the solution. First we have to see the diagram. Look at this diagram. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Now this is our circle which is touches at the y-axis at p of 0, 4 and makes intercepts on x-axis 6 units. That is intercepts we have taken AB. This is A and B. This is the intercept made by the circle on x-axis. That intercepts is given 6 units. So this is the diagram. Now from this diagram we have to solve this problem very easily. Okay, see this diagram. So here the OP distance is 4 units. Okay, the OP distance is 4 units. Then CM distance is also 4 units. These are parallel and equal distance. So here from this diagram we are getting CM distance is also 4 units. Now what is the length of the intercepts is given? AB is 6 units. So here M is the midpoint of AB. Therefore AM is 3 units and MB is also 3 units. Okay. From this triangle ACM we know that AM distance is 3 and CM distance is 4. Okay. So from this triangle it is a right angle triangle. Then here AC is the hypotenuse. So using the right angle property, AC square is equal to AM square plus CM square. From that we are getting the CA distance. That is here we are getting 5. So here AM is 3 and CM is 4. From the right angle property we are getting AC is we are getting 5. That AC is nothing but the radius of the circle. Okay, we are getting the radius. And what is the circle? Center is that is 4 that is x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 4. We are getting the center is 5, 4 and radius is 5. So we are getting the circle equation with center and radius formula. Okay, this is the our solution. So we are understood the diagram, then we are getting the solution is very easy. Okay, so see the solution here. From the figure OP is equal to CM. Okay, therefore CM is equal to 4 units. Okay, next given that x-intercept here that AB is equal to 6 units. Since AM is equal to MB, here M is the midpoint of AB. Okay, therefore AM is equal to 3 units. See this. Once again see the diagram. From this triangle ACM from this triangle ACM, we are writing the right angle property. AC square is equal to AM square plus MC square. What is the AM? AM is 3 and MC is 4. That is 3 square 9 plus MC is 4. 4 square is 16. So from that AC square is equal to 25. We are getting AC is 5 units. So if AC is 5 units, then what is the x coordinate of the center? It is 5 units. Okay. Therefore, the radius is 5 units and the center is, we are getting x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 4. See from the figure we are getting OC distance, that is the x coordinate of the center is 5 units and y coordinate of the center is 4 units. Okay. From that we are getting the center is 5 comma 4 and radius is 5. Then we are getting the circle equation with center is 5 comma 4 and radius is 5. The circle equation of x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square is equal to r square. From that formula we are getting x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to 25. This is our required circle. That required circle touching the y-axis at 0 comma 4 and making an intercept 6 units on x-axis. So for this given data, we are getting the circle equation here, x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to 25. That is our required circle. Okay. See the next sum. See the next sum. 4 circles each with radius 2 touches both the axis. Then the radius of the largest circle touching all the 4 circles. This is our problem. Here 4 circles touches the coordinate axis, both the coordinate axis. Now we have to find the circle equation touches both the all 4 circles, touches 4 circles. What is the largest circle that touches both these 4 circles? We have to find the radius of the largest circle. Okay, that is our problem. Okay, see the solution. See the look at the diagram. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. So these are the circles touches both the coordinate axis whose radius is 2 units. If any circle touches both the coordinate axis, then x coordinate and y coordinate are the equal to radius. Okay, here the radius of a circle is 2 units. Okay, so these 4 circles having the radius 2 units. So x coordinate and y coordinate are same. The same, that is equal to 2 units. So this is the first circle touches both the coordinate axis and its center at 2 comma 2 and also radius is also 2 units. So when the circle touches both the x-axis and y-axis, then x coordinate of center and y coordinate are both are equal and also equal to the radius. Okay, we are discussing in the concept. So if any circle touches both the x-axis and y-axis, then the radius is if the radius is a, then the center is a comma a. So here radius is 2 units. So what is the center? Center is 2 comma 2. So this is the circle in the first coordinate. The center is 2 comma 2. Okay. Next, see the second circle. So that is also touches both the x-axis and y-axis. So that is in second coordinate. The center is minus 2 comma 2 and radius is 2. Next, this is the third circle which is also touches both the x-axis y-axis. That is in third coordinate. Similarly, the fourth circle is also touches both the x-axis and y-axis. That is in the fourth quadrant. These 4 circles are touches both the coordinate axis. Now we have to find the circle which touches four circles. That circle touches both all the four circles. Now we have to find that circle radius. So the largest circle touches these four circles. Okay, so there are two circles touching these all four circles. One is small circle. See the diagram. This is the small circle which touches four circles. Okay, next another circle. This is the another circle touches four circles. This circle is the largest circle. So have two circles. One is smaller circle and another is larger circle. So small circle is also touches these four circles and larger circle is also touches all the four circles. Now we have to find the radius of the largest circle. Now we have to find the radius of the largest circle. So okay, you understood the diagram. Then the problem is very easy. So see the diagram. So what is the, so see the diagram. C is the, we have to take an circle center in the first coordinate. Okay. So what is the coordinates of center? 2, 2. So the distance from center to x-axis and y-axis both are equal to 2. Okay. So from this diagram, see that where center C is 2, 2. Therefore the radius is also 2. Okay. From this figure, OC square is equal to, from this figure, OC square is equal to 2 square plus 2 square. So see it is the right angle triangle. From this right angle triangle, so we are getting OC square is equal to, these are the two sides also 2 and another side is also 2. So 2 square plus 2 square. From that OC square is equal to 8, OC is equal to root 8. From that OC is equal to 2 root. Here the distance from origin to the center of the first circle, that is in the first coordinate, that OC's distance is 2. So from center to the largest circle, and that is the radius of the inner circle. Okay. So therefore the largest circle radius is here OC plus R. What is R? R is the radius of that circle. So OC distance we have to find here. OC is 2 root 2. Then what is R? R is the radius of the circle. So the largest circle radius is here OC plus R. So OC is 2 root 2 plus R is the radius. Okay. So we have from that where 2 is common, we are getting 2 into root 2 plus 1. This is the largest circle radius. So the largest circle touches these four circles. If you want the radius of the smaller circle, what is the formula? From the diagram, the smaller circle radius is OC minus R. So then we are getting 2 root 2 minus 2. That from that 2 into root 2 minus 1. So the larger circle radius is OC plus R and the smaller circle radius is OC minus R. In our problem, we have to find the largest circle radius, that is OC plus R. So we are getting the largest circle radius is 2 into root 2 plus 1. So this is the required radius. Okay. Next, see the another problem. A line meets the coordinate axis in capital A and capital B. A circle is circumscribed about the triangle OAB. The distances from the endpoints of capital A, capital B of the side AB to the tangent at capital O, that is the origin, are equal to small m and small n respectively. Then the diameter of the circle is, here he wants the diameter of the circle. So what is the triangle here? OAB is the triangle. So see the solution. First look at the diagram. This is x-axis and y-axis. Okay. So if a line, this is the line, meets the x-axis, y-axis and at capital A and capital B. Okay. So now we are write the circle OAB. Here A is the point we are taken A comma 0 and B is the point 0 comma B. Okay. Now we are to write these two lines at A and B and the tangent at the origin. This is the tangent at the origin. Now we have to given the distance from A to the tangent, that is AM is small m and BN is small n. Here AM is small m, BN is small n. We have to find the diameter of the circle. See this diagram again. We have to find, first we have to find AB as the diameter of the circle. Here A is the point A comma 0 and B is the point 0 comma B. These are the endpoints of the diameter of the circle. Okay, it is the right angle. OAB is a right angle triangle and AB is the hypotenuse. So this hypotenuse is the diameter of the circumcircle. Okay, now we have to write the AB as the diameter of the circle, that is x square plus y square minus x minus by is equal to 0. This is the circle AB as the diameter. Okay. Now the equation of the tangent at origin to the S is equal to 0. For this circle we have to take the tangent at origin, that is S1 is equal to 0. That is the tangent at origin is we are getting ax plus by is equal to 0. This is the tangent at the origin to this circle. Okay. Now where m is the perpendicular distance from A of A comma 0 to the equation 1. So we have to given that the distance from A to the tangent is small m and this distance from B to the tangent is small n. Okay, now we have to calculate small m is the distance, perpendicular distance from A to this line ax plus by is equal to 0. So we are using the distance formula. We are getting m is a square by root of a square plus b square and n is the distance from B to the line ax plus by is equal to 0. Using the distance formula where n is b square by root of a square plus b square. So now we are calculating m plus n. Okay, here we are calculating m plus n. M plus n we are getting a square plus b square by root of a square plus b square. From that we are getting root of a square plus b square. Here m plus n is we are getting a root of a square plus b square. What is here? A is a comma 0 and b is 0 comma b. So what is the distance of AB? That is nothing but root of a square plus b square. Okay. So here m plus n is we are getting root of a square plus b square. So that is equal to AB. So AB is equal to we are getting m plus n. What is the AB here? The diameter. The diameter of the circle, circumcircle of triangle OAB. So that is our required answer. So the diameter of the circle is AB, that is equal to m plus n. So answer is m plus n is the required answer. Okay, that is the diameter of the circumscribed triangle OAB. We are getting here m plus n. Okay, next see the problem. The locus of the center of the circle which touches the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1 externally, also the y-axis and lie in the first quadrant. That is our given problem. The locus of the center of the circle which touches the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1 externally, also the y-axis and this circle, required circle, lies in the first coordinate. That is our given problem. Now see the diagram. This is x-axis and y-axis. So this is the given circle. X square plus y square is equal to 1. Now the required circle is here, touches the given circle and also y axis. This is our required circle. Now that is say C2 and C1 is the given circle center. Join C1 and C2 and C2 to the y axis. See the solution. Let C2, that is the required circle, the center locus is we are taken. C2 is h comma k. Be the locus of the required circle which touches the given circle and also y axis. So if any circle touches y axis, then what is the radius? The radius of the circle which touches y axis, the radius is the modulus of x coordinate the center. So here the radius of the circle R2 is, we are getting h. That is the x coordinate of the center C2. Okay. Now given circle is x square plus y square is equal to 1. What is the center here? C1 is 0 comma 0 and the radius is 1. Okay. So these two circles are given that touches each other. Okay. What is the condition? If any two circles touches to each other, then C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. Okay. We are using C1 C2, that is the distance formula, root of h minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, that is root of h square plus k square is equal to, what is R1 here? 1. R2 is equal to h. Now we are squaring on both sides. We are getting h square plus k square is equal to 1 plus h square plus 2h. Okay. After simplification, we are getting k square is equal to 1 plus 2h. Now we want the locus of the center C2 h comma k. Now we have to write the locus of C2, that is h comma k. Okay, what is the locus of C2 here? In the place of k is y, in the place of h is x. We are writing the locus of C2 is y square is equal to 1 plus 2x. This is our required answer. Okay, the locus of the center of the circle, that is the h comma k locus is here. We are getting y square is equal to 1 plus 2x. Okay, this is the required locus. See the next problem. The equation of a line inclined at an angle pi by 4 to the x-axis such that the two circles x square plus y square is equal to 4, one circle, and another circle x square plus y square minus 10x minus 14y plus 65 is equal to 0. Intercept equal lengths on each. This is our problem. See the solution. First we look at this diagram. So if the diagrams are main role to understand the problem, if it is done, then you are getting success. Okay, see the diagram. This is the x-axis and y-axis. This is first circle. What is the first circle? X square plus y square is equal to 4. Okay. Next, this is the second circle. X square plus y square minus 10x minus 14y plus 65 is equal to 0. A line now intercepts these two circles. So this is the line that intercepts these two circles and makes equal intercepts. So this is the intercepts. First circle made by the intercept on the line is we are taken AB, and the second circle made by the intercepts on this line is we are taken CD. Okay, that is, these are the intercepts. AB is equal to CD. We have to given that, and also this line makes an angle pi by 4 with x-axis. Okay, see the diagram. We are joined now CA and write the perpendicular CN on this line. Okay, and another C to M and join C2 and C. See the diagram. So and also here this line makes an angle pi by 4 with x-axis. Okay. Next see that here C1 is the 0, 0 and C2 is the center of the second circle, that is 5, 7. And radius are R1 is 2 and R2 is 3. Okay. We have to take in the given line. That line makes equal intercepts on the two circles. We have taken that line is we have taken y is equal to mx plus c. That is our required straight line. Now we have taken that is y is equal to mx plus c. We are assuming that the required line. So here that line makes an angle pi by 4 with the x-axis. So that is the inclination of that line. Okay. So then we are getting the slope of that line. What is the how to get the slope? M is equal to tan theta. Here theta is 45 degrees. So we are getting M is equal to tan 45. That is M is equal to tan 45. Tan 45 value is 1. Therefore the slope we are getting M is equal to 1. Okay. So one part is complete. So our required line is y is equal to mx plus c. We are getting M value. Then after we have to find how to get c value. So now we have to substitute this m value in that line y is equal to mx plus c. The required line is becomes y is equal to x plus c. Okay. Now from the diagram we have to find c1n. That is the perpendicular distance from center to the line y is equal to x plus c. Now we are getting the c1 n is the perpendicular distance. What is the C1? C1 is 0, 0 and the line y is equal to x plus c. So for using the distance formula we are getting C1 n is mod c by root of 2. Okay, root 2. Okay. Next similarly we have to find from the diagram C to MC. From the triangle, so C to M is the perpendicular distance from C2 to the line. So we are getting C to M is modulus of C minus 2 by root 2. So these are the distances from C1 to C1 and C2 to the line y is equal to x plus c. So we are getting C1n and C2m. So from these triangles C1a n, from this triangle we are getting an. This is right angle triangle. Using right angle property, we are getting an. An distance we are getting root of 4 minus c square by 2. Similarly, from this triangle C2 capital CM, we are getting CM. Okay, CM is we are getting root of 9 minus 2 minus c whole square by 2. So we are getting an distance and CM distance from these two triangles. Okay, so from the triangle C1A n, so we are getting C1n and C1A is the radius of the first circle. In similar, the second circle C2 capital CM, in that circle C2 capital C is the radius, that is the 3, and C2m is we are getting already, C2m is mod c by modulus of c minus 2 by root 2. So we are using the right angle property, we are getting an and cm values. An value is root of 4 minus c square by 2 and cm value is root of 9 minus 2 minus c whole square by 2. So here an is equal to cm. An is equal to cm. These are the intercepts, semi-intercepts. Okay, these are intercepts. AB is equal to CD. So nothing but an is nothing but cm. Okay, these are two equal. An is equal to cm. Now we are equating these two lengths. From that we are getting c value. Here an is equal to cm. Then we are getting root will be cancelled. Now we are squaring both sides. We are getting root will be cancelled. We are getting 4 minus c square by 2 is equal to 9 minus 2 minus c whole square by 2. From that we are getting c is minus of 3 by 2. We are getting c here. Now we have to substitute in the y is equal to mx plus c. Here m is 1 and c is minus 3 by 2. After simplification, we are getting that line is 2x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, this is our required straight line. That straight line makes equal intercepts on the given two circles. Okay, so that is our required straight line we are getting here. 2x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is our required answer. Next, see the another problem. Radius of bigger circle touching the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0 and both the coordinate axis we have to find the radius of the bigger circle. That circle touches the given circle and both the coordinate axis. That is our problem. See the diagram. See in this diagram, one is a bigger circle and another is a smaller circle. Okay, so we have to find the radius of the bigger circle. Okay, the bigger circle radius we have to find that touches the given circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 4 is equal to. So that is the small circle is a given circle. Now we have to find the bigger circle. That circle touches the given circle and also the coordinate axis. So in this diagram we are to presenting the bigger circle touching the given circle and also touches both the coordinate axis. Okay, see the solution. Once again the question is we are repeating. So radius of the bigger circle touching the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0 and both the coordinate axis. Okay, so look at the diagram once again. So given circle is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0. What is the center of the circle? C is equal to 2 comma 2. From this diagram, angle COD is equal to angle CBE, that is pi by 4. Why it is pi by 4? So these circles center observing the first circle center is 2 comma 2. If any circle touching both the coordinate axis center x coordinate equal to y coordinate. So see in the diagram, the center of the largest circle that touches both the coordinate axis we are taken C is h comma h, that is x coordinate equal to y coordinate, and also the radius of the circle is also h. Why? It is touching both the coordinate axis. Okay, from this diagram angle COD is equal to angle CBE, that is pi by 4. So next observing CB distance is, here CB distance is h plus 2 and BE distance is h minus 2. Okay, from this triangle CBE, we are writing cos pi by 4 is equal to h minus 2 by h plus 2. That is C cos theta is equal to CB by B. Okay, here theta is pi by 4 and CB is B is h minus 2 and CB is h plus 2. So we are to using from this triangle CBE we are writing cos pi by 4 is equal to h minus 2 by h plus 2. What is cos pi by 4? That is 1 by root 2. Now we are to simplifying this equality. So from that h is equal to 2 root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. After rationalizing we are getting h is equal to 2 into 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay, this is the h value. What is the h value? That is the radius of the bigger circle. So the bigger circle touches both the coordinate axis. Then x coordinate equal to y coordinate equal to the radius. Okay, so here center is h comma h and radius is also h. So we want here the bigger circle radius, that is h. So what is the answer? Therefore the bigger circle radius is 2 into 3 plus 2 root 2. This is our required radius. Okay, next see one more problem. The equation of the smaller circle that touches the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1 and passes through the point a of 4 comma 3. That is our given problem. Here the equation of the smaller circle. We have to find the equation of the smaller circle that touches the given circle. That touches the given circle and also passing to the point of 4 comma 3. Okay, see the diagram. This is the given circle and this is the required circle. Okay, see that O is the center of the circle, x square plus y square is equal to 1. That is the origin and the radius of the circle is 1. And the required circle passing to the point here a 4 comma 3 and touching the given circle. Look at this diagram. This is the required circle touches the given circle and passing through the point 4 comma 3. Now that is the smaller circle. If when the required circle is smaller circle, O is the normal to the given circle. Okay, see the solution. For smaller circle, OA will become normal. Here OA will become normal. The required circle is a smaller circle. Okay. Now we have to find OA distance. We know that O is the origin 0 comma 0 and A is given 4 comma 3. Now we have to find OA distance using 2 points formula. We are getting root of 16 plus 9, that is root 25, that is equal to 5. Okay. Now we have to find AB distance. So OA distance is 5. How to get AB distance? OA minus OB. Okay, that is AB distance. AB distance is OA minus OB. What is OB distance? The radius of the first circle. OB distance is the radius of the first circle, that is 1. So this is OA is 5 and subtracting the radius of the given circle we are getting AB. That is 5 minus 1 we are getting 4. Okay, AB distance we are getting AB is 4. Now we are writing the equation of OA is O is 0 comma 0 and A is 4 comma 3. Then what is the line equation? OA distance OA equation is that is in the passing through origin y is equal to mx. So that is y is equal to OA slope is 3 by 4 into x. So OA equation is y is equal to 3 by 4 into x. In the given circle we have to substitute. So given circle is x square plus y square is equal to 1. In that we have to substitute y is equal to 3 by 4x. Then we are getting x square plus 9x square by 16 is equal to 1. From that we are getting x is equal to plus or minus 4 by 5. Okay. So we are getting the coordinates of B. Okay. So here x coordinate is 4 by 5. Then we have to substitute in y is equal to 3 by 4x. We are getting y coordinate. So then B coordinates is 4 by 5 and 3 by 5. Okay. We are getting the coordinates of B. So what is A is 4 comma 3 and B is 4 by 5 comma 3 by 5. Here AB is the diameter. So firstly in the first we have to say that OA is the normal. Okay, if it is normal, every normal passing through the center of the circle. So AB is the diameter of the required circle. Okay, therefore the required equation of the circle AB as the diameter. So we know that equation of the circle, the diameter endpoints. Here A is 4 comma 3 and B is 4 by 5 comma 3 by 5. So using the formula, what is the endpoints of the diameter of the circle? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. On that we have to substitute a and b coordinates. We are getting this circle. What is we are getting the circle? The circle is x square plus y square minus 24 by 5x minus 18 by 5 into y plus y is equal to 0. So we are getting this circle AB as the diameter. Okay, we are getting b coordinates on this concept. Okay, so A is given 4, 3 and B is we are obtaining the coordinates 4 by 5 and 3 by 5 are the coordinates of the B. We are writing the circle AB as the diameter of the circle. So we are getting this answer. Okay, see the next problem. A circle having radius 7 touches both the axes and lie in the first coordinate. If the circle is rolling along the positive x-axis and complete one rotation, then the equation of the circle in the final position. This is our problem. See that given circle touches both the axes, then we are taken the center is equal to the x coordinate equal to y coordinate equal to, we are taken the radius. Here given that a circle having the radius 7, that is the radius of the circle is 7 and touching both the coordinate axes. When the circle touches both the axes, then the center coordinates are both are equal to the radius. So here we are writing the center is 7, 7 and radius is 7. Okay, this is the given circle, center is 7, 7 and radius is also 7 and touching both the coordinate axis. See the diagram. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. This is our circle. That circle rotate complete rotate on positive x-axis. Okay, this is rotated on positive x-axis. Then what is the in the final position? What is then the equation of the circle in the final position? After rotating, then what is the circle equation in that position? Okay, see the diagram. After rotation is completed, the final position of the center. Here C is equal to 7 plus 2 pi r. So one rotation is completed, then x coordinate is changing, but not y coordinate not changed. So here x in the positive direction of x-axis, this circle is rotating one complete rotate. That is the parameter, that is 2 pi r. We are adding the x coordinate. So then we are getting the center is C is equal to 7 plus 2 pi r and y coordinate is nothing but the same. So the center of the circle after rotation, the final position center is 7 plus 2 pi r comma 7. These are the coordinates of the center in the final position of this circle. Okay, C1 is equal to 7 plus 2, where pi is 22 by 7 we are substitute and r is 7. So we are calculating, we are getting C1 is 51 comma 7. That is the center in the final position of the circle. The radius is not changing. The radius is nothing but the 7. So y coordinate is not changing and x coordinate is changed. So x coordinate is 7 plus 2 pi r and y coordinate is 7. So what is the in the final position center of the circle is 51 comma 7. Therefore the final position of the circle is equation is x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square is equal to r square. Here x1 y1 is in the new position, the coordinates of the center is 51 comma 7. So now we are writing the equation of the required circle is x minus 51 whole square plus y minus 7 whole square is equal to 7 square. This is our required circle when the given circle rotate one complete rotate on positive x-axis, then we are getting the circle equation is x minus 51 whole square plus y minus 7 whole square is equal to 7 square. Okay, this is our required equation of the circle. Okay, thank you. See another video. Okay, see once again another video. So we are discussing in that some another concepts in the circle chapter. Okay, see you. Bye.